Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Victus by HP gaming laptop. Now the model number of this is a 16-E0075AX. So let's just get started. Now as you can see, this is the box that it comes in, and I'm just going to quickly open it and lay everything out for you, so you'll see that right now. Alright, so this is exactly everything that you get in the box of the HP, the Victus by HP gaming laptop. As you can see, there's some documentation basically telling you how to set up the laptop. You have the laptop itself. You get a 150 watt power brick along with a cable, a power cable, and that's about it. So let me tell you a little bit more about this laptop. Now this laptop is powered by a AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor, and that's paired with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. So that's a pretty good combination if you're looking for gaming. What else can I tell you about the laptop? It has 8 GB of RAM, and it comes with an inbuilt 512 GB SSD. The display is a 16.1 inch display. Let me just go ahead and open it up. So keep that to the side. This is a 16.1 inch full HD display, and as you can see, it includes Microsoft Home, includes my Microsoft Office Home and Student Edition. Okay, so that's about the laptop and the specs. Now let me tell you a little bit about the design of this laptop. As you can see, there's a V over here, which is a V for Victus or Victory. The other thing to note is that this features, let me just hold that up. There you go, you can see there's a little bit of a design element here, and the back of this laptop is pretty sleek. With a combination, if it's a gaming laptop, obviously there's going to be a lot of heat generated. So HP have devised a pretty good thermal solution right here. So you can see there are two fans in here, and a lot of the heat will be dissipating from the bottom, and also there's some vents on the side and at the rear. So there are vents at the rear right here. So HP claims that this laptop will run pretty cool, and it being a gaming laptop, that's a great thing. Lastly, let me just tell you about the weight of this laptop. So this laptop, it's pretty light. It's not really very heavy. The laptop weighs 2.48 kgs, so just 2.5 kgs basically. And as you can see, this is everything that you get in the box. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Victus by HP gaming laptop. This is the Ryzen 5 5600H variant. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.